Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to another Diwali series video. I hope you all are liking all the videos of #Diwali with Jaspreet. This is another video. Do let me know how are you finding the videos and do let me know how are you celebrating your festival, that is Diwali. Now one thing common in Diwali is that whenever festivals knock in or Diwali comes, one thing that is cooked in all of our houses is Mithai, sweet dishes. So in all of our houses, different versions of sweet dishes are cooked or made, and we all enjoy and celebrate with that because whenever festivals come, food is a must. खाने के बिना festivals का कोई मज़ा नहीं है. So today we will be making two dishes. That is one, a sweet dish, very simple, very basic, and it will not take much time, and it is called the coconut laddu. And second, we will make a snack that is also very, very easy and my favorite snack, which I prefer making whenever there's something happy moment around, and that is bread rolls. So I will be cooking both of the dishes with you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we will start with the coconut laddu, for which we will take the grated coconut. Basically, coconut को कद्दूकस कर लो, right? And for 1 cup of grated coconut, take 1/3 cup of sugar or चीनी, right? So basically, जिस भी bowl में you will take the grated coconut, उसी में measure कर लेना. 1/3 bowl of the same चीनी ले लेना. And a little bit of desiccated coconut. This is just for coating purpose. When we will make the laddu, we will coat it with the desiccated coconut. So these are the 3 ingredients with which we will make the laddu. Just these 3 ingredients, and that is it. Take a kadhai and of course light on the flame and add grated coconut to it. So basically कुछ नहीं डालना, कोई घी नहीं, कोई oil नहीं, directly grated coconut को add करके roast it. And बहुत ज़्यादा roast नहीं करना, we just have to roast it a little bit because you know coconut has its own oil, that is why. And जब वो थोड़ा सा roast हो जाए, then add sugar to it. Sugar add होते ही we will wait for it to melt because obviously now is the main thing. Sugar melt होना ज़रूरी है coconut के साथ. So we will wait it to get melt and we will look into it, and you can see that the mixture, the consistency is changing. Now it has started looking soft, sticky, and put together as well. You can see it because laddu banane hai, so we need a sticky mixture. You can check it by touching it also. You can see it has turned brown and sticky also. So just keep it aside because garam ka nahi banana hame. We will wait for it to reach the room temperature and then we will make it. So once they reach the room temperature, start binding them. Very easily they will get binded क्योंकि चीनी जो है वो melt हुई है. So very easily वो bind हो गए, and then coat it with the desiccated coconut just to beautify it more and to add that a little beauty to it. That is why we apply. You can do it without it also, लेकिन ये लगाने से थोड़ा white हो जाते हैं. And this is how it is made. So easy. बस कुछ नहीं करना, इसको इकट्ठा कर लो हाथ में, बस एक साथ करते साथ में ही it will get binded and then coat it with the desiccated coconut, right? So easy, so plain, that is it. फटाफट बन जाते हैं. You can make it at any point of time. Hardly 15-20 minutes लगते हैं. So in the same way, make other laddus as well. So even for 1 cup, you will make like 5 to 6 laddus for one time in 1 cup. ज़्यादा बनाने हैं तो mixture उतना ही बढ़ा लेना, right? So that is how the laddus will be made. So easy, bind them, then again coat them, and that is it. It is a very, very easy sweet dish to make if you want to make it. That is it, right? So these are the laddus and this is how it looks. These are the ultimate result of the laddus. Very simple, very easy to cook. Moving to the bread rolls now. So these are the main ingredients, starting with the diced garlic, diced onion, diced capsicum, diced carrots, and diced tomatoes. Then the boiled peas as well, and some jeera. So these are the main ingredients of the bread rolls that we are going to make, and of course the diced boiled potatoes. Boiled potatoes को dice कर लिया. Take a kadhai, take oil and put jeera in it. Of course, gas jala lena. So jeera ko let it sit for a while, like वो थोड़ा सा brownish हो जाए. Then add garlic to it. Of course, garlic gives that nice taste to your food. I really like it, so I keep adding it in every dish almost. And then when garlic gets golden and brown, then you can add the onions to it, the diced onions. But if you don't like, if you don't eat garlic and onion, you can completely skip both of these ingredients and cook with other ones. Then add grated carrots so that they get soft, grated capsicum to it, and we will cook it more, because like these are the sabjis that should be get cooked properly and soft. So this is very, very important. And by adding the veggies, it actually becomes very, very colorful as well and yummy as well, right? So to this, now we will add salt as to taste. It is completely on you how much salt you have according to that, and it will help cook the veggies as well. A little red chili, because I don't have it more, and turmeric to get that yellow nice color. And of course, turmeric has its properties as well, and coriander powder, dhania powder, right? So add all these things. Now these masalas will help it cook more and easily and get it soft, और उनका जो taste है वो भी आ जाएगा सारा veggies में. So it will be very easy for you to cook it more, right? इसे थोड़ा सा और cook कर लो so that अच्छे से हो जाए. And yes, I forgot to tell you, add pepper and chicken masala as well. Again, you can add any masala of your taste. इसमें कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. I add whatever I have at home, and of course the boiled peas. I prefer to add it at the end because मैंने already इसे boil किया हुआ है, so there is no much need to cook it. It is already cooked only because I've boiled it. That was the major reason of boiling it on the first place. Now it will be easily cooked and mushed together. And now we will add the now we will add the tomatoes to it. Now what tomatoes do, क्योंकि जब सब्जियां पकेंगी, they start sticking the pan. So by adding tomato, that adds a little watery texture to the sabji as well. So it took a while of cooking the process. And to this we will add the hero ingredient, that is the potatoes, aloo. Add it and mix it well. Mix it well to the point. अगर लगता है तो इसे mash भी कर लो. That is why I diced it. And after this, mix it very well, क्योंकि हमें filling बनाना है. Masher से आप mash कर सकते हो. मैंने spatula से I tried to mash it all. Yes, and this is how the ultimate result is. The potatoes with lots of veggies. This is our ultimate filling, right? Looks yum. अब हम इसे fill करेंगे in our bread rolls, right? For that, I have taken the filling first of all to fill. I have taken the bread slices, cut the brown sides of it, क्योंकि वो हमें नहीं चाहिए, उससे bread roll bind नहीं होगा. So just cut the brown sides. And I have taken the slices of paneer just to add a little in between the bread rolls to make it more yum. And water, of course, क्योंकि bread rolls को bind करने के लिए we need all these things. अब हाथ से just apply some water on the bread, soak it with water basically, but make sure you're draining the water as well. उसमें रहना नहीं चाहिए पानी. The water should be drained very nicely. We have to make it basically very soft so that it could be folded easily. तो अच्छे से उसे गीला करके सारे पानी को drain out कर लो, and then put the filling in it as per your requirement. If you are a beginner, तो थोड़ी filling डाल लो. Right, with the passage of time you will understand कि कितनी filling, approx 1 spoon filling will be enough. And then in between, put the slice of paneer. It was like a longer one, so I adjusted it to the requirement, jitna bhi according to the bread it is then. And then softly fold it, very softly, with very, very soft hands, क्योंकि bread भी गीली है, अंदर mixture है, and we have to make it a roll which without any cracks, right? We have to try to make it a roll without any cracks. So अगर आपको कहीं पे लगता है the bread is not properly soaked, just apply a little water to it, and this is how it should be without any cracks. Repeat the same process with the other bread as well. कुछ main नहीं है. The main thing is that bread अच्छे से soak हो to the point that it should be soft, एंड देन ऐड द फिलिंग टू इट. और जब आप उसे बाइंड करोगे बहुत आराम से, बहुत प्यार से करना, सो दैट इट गेट्स बाइंडेड ब्यूटिफुली और उसमें कोई क्रैक ना हो, राइट? कोई जल्दबाजी मत करना. जस्ट डू इट विद वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट हैंड्स एंड मेक इट अ नाइस रोल, बिकॉज ताकि वो बॉयल कर, आई एम सॉरी, ताकि वो फ्राई करते टाइम फटे ना. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि इसमें कोई क्रैक्स नहीं होने चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ लाइक द बिफोर फ्राइंग, दिस इज़ इट. And now please check the oil before dipping them to it and be very very careful, right? And then slowly, basically when you're frying anything, like the way I dipped it, side से हल्के हाथ से उसको डाल देना बीच में, मतलब so that it doesn't falls in and the oil pops up onto your hand. So be very careful with that. कुछ नहीं करना, अब इसे मीडियम फ्लेम पे कुक करना है. ऑयल को पूरा गर्म करके देन मीडियम फ्लेम पे से कुक करना है ताकि ये अच्छे से कुक हो. एंड सी इट, हाउ इज इट लुक? वेरी क्रिस्पी, वेरी यम्मी, राइट? We have made both the things, that is coconut laddu and bread rolls. Now let's taste test it and know how are they made. And in case if you make any of these dishes, then make sure to tag me on Instagram. And if you're not on Instagram, you can email me the pictures of these dishes so that I can post them on my Instagram as well. So I think we should start with the savory dish first. So this is one of my favorite dishes and I always like cooking it. You have known it's not that difficult also, but the filling says it all. Let's taste it. Very nice, and even without any kind of coating, it's still very very crispy, as you can hear it. And you can see the filling also. You can see the capsicum, the carrot and potato obviously. So if you make this thing, and the paneer, yeah, the paneer is also highlighted. This is such a simple and a tasty snack that it could be cooked for your kids also, or for anyone arriving at your homes also, because it has lots of veggies and you can put another veggies also if you want to. And to enjoy it more, you can make a green chutney or a ketchup, or maybe mayo and red chutney, whichever you like. You can pair it with that and have it. And now we will taste test the laddu. As you've seen, this is such a simple dish. I think it hardly took me 10 to 15 minutes and it is cooked. It is so simple yet so basic and very very tasty. I think I'll taste this one. Very nice. The best thing is it is not too sweet also, and when I'm taking the bite, as you saw, I didn't use any kind of ghee or butter. The coconut oil, because coconut has its own oil, the coconut oil is all melting into my mouth and it has its own taste. It's really yum. Very simple, very very basic dish, yet it's very very tasty. You must try it. So this was today's video. I think when Diwali comes, food is a must, whether it's a snack, whether it's a sweet, we all cook. So I thought to make this video on this Diwali series too. Do let me know how did you found the video. Share this video with your friends and family, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description box below. I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and keep the celebrations on. Bye.